folks, today we're just going to have a look at the ST73 foaming lance. This is probably one of the most popular products we have. Basically it just allows you to vary or dilute the amount of water to products you want to put on your vehicle, whatever. Basically it just relies on a pickup into either a 1 litre from a 1 litre bottle or a 2 litre bottle, and we would always recommend the 2 litre bottle just because it's a lot more stable when you put the actual lance down, so it basically just sits nicer on the actual bench or whatever. Or we do the actual holders as well, so you'll actually hold it in place, just makes it more balanced. But the 2 litre bottle definitely one we would recommend. So basically the foam is actually produced by using a stainless foam pad, which again we supply aftermarket, or if you need to replace it, well worth replacing these because they do get blocked up with rust and bits of metal debris wherever in the water. We also supply the pickup spigot that sits underneath. These sometimes get damaged if it's been put down without the bottle or something like that. They snap off quite easily, so if we can, we try and transport them in the actual with a bottle on it just to protect it. So there's various inlet devices we use. Probably the most popular is the spigot, but we can use lots of different fixings for the front. Check out the website for those because it's surprising how many different applications or different systems we can use with this. So it is very pressure sensitive, so again, get in touch with us if you need the information. We can give that to you to get the best out of the actual device, so it's well worth knowing that. So what we're going to do now is take you out and we'll give you a little demonstration out with the pressure washer as to what it can do. Okay, so we're going to try the product with the minimum dilution, so it's on the number 1 on the actual foam lance, and we'll just sort of show you what it does. Okay, so we'll move it to the position 5. So this is the maximum amount of product you can put on. Okay, so I hope you found that useful. Please get in touch, and if you have any questions, please put them below on the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you again soon.